Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to deactivate dark mode on your Facebook page. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook page. You can see dark mode is activated in my page. Now to turn off, first of all, click on this icon of your Facebook page. After that, go to the setting and privacy. And over here, click on these settings. And on the left, you can see here is preference. Over here, you can find this dark mode. If this is not over here, simply search here for dark mode and enter. After that, you will find this dark mode over here. Click on this. And now over here, you can see it's turned on. To turn off, just click on this on. And after that, select this off. And now you can see the dark mode is deactivated on my Facebook page. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.